Hello everyone, welcome to Fine Arts YouTube channel. In this video, I will draw Peppa Pig and her family riding a car. First, I am drawing the car. I am drawing the car's body. Now I am drawing the doors of the car. Now I am drawing the mirrors. Draw with me the lights of the car.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her high. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock.
And now I am drawing the wheels. The car is complete. Let's draw Daddy Pig. I am drawing Daddy Pig's face. Now I am drawing Mummy Pig. Let's draw Daddy Pig's ear, his nose, and the glasses of Daddy Pig. Let's draw his mouth. Look, Daddy Pig is holding the steering of the car. Let's complete Mummy Pig. Now I am drawing Mummy Pig's eyes. And her mouth. Let's draw our Peppa Pig. First I draw her face and her ears, her eyes, nose and mouth. Now I draw Peppa Pig's brother, George. Let's paint this beautiful pig pink. blue, yellow, red, orange, green, red, yellow, black, bye bye friends, see you in the next video.